Good evening, 47. I have the final profile available now. Your target is Tahiji Koyama, codenamed the Controller. He is the final living member of the Sigma paramilitary, and with his elimination, a particularly nasty chapter of recent history will be brought to a close. Hospital records indicate the target suffers a rare genetic disease, but also that he has refused 2 full bone marrow donations on ethical grounds so far. Interesting. Clients at this particular hospital are not usually picky about where their life-extending therapy comes from. While I have confirmed that he has learned of the deaths of the other members of Sigma, he does not seem to have altered his security arrangements or movement patterns in any meaningful way. Regardless, the hospital is highly secure, and it will be difficult to move freely. So I'll leave you to prepare. Welcome to Hokkaido, 47. I have received a priority update from the client. He has learned that the Sigma operations files will be destroyed if you are spotted during the operation. Therefore, you should consider acquiring them before moving on the target, but I will leave that to your discretion.
No key cover.
Director, nice to see you.
Ah, Miss Yamasaki. Good to see you.
I'd like to see you in the Winter Garden shortly.
Of course.
Very well.
It's awesome, right? I mean, shut up. Don't I look like Hush or the Invisible Man? Or maybe Dark Man. Yeah, shut up. Totally Dark Man.
You look like the mummy. So what kind of work did you get?
What?
Huh? Can you give it to me?
Helmet Cougar, the model.
Yeah, the one and only. I mean, you know.
Oh, not right now, please. Not anymore.
Good to see you, sir.
Aquariums always fill me.
I do yoga. It's good for the body and the soul. It's actually quite an addiction of mine. Gotta say, I'm annoyed to have missed today's lesson.
Director got you working overtime as well?
Actually, no. The instructor here at Gamma managed to injure himself doing some highly advanced pose.
That's a little hard.
Hey, what's up?
Good evening. Good evening.
Sir, how are you?
He volunteered himself. Well, that's dedication.
Hello.
Curators as bipolar as they come. He is the ideal test subject. Chips. It smells of cybernetics. Doesn't sit right with a lot of people.
So the ether R&D team put a chip in his brain.
Welcome to Hokkaido 47. I have received a priority update from the client. He has learned that the Sigma operations files will be destroyed if you are spotted during the operation. Therefore, you should consider acquiring them before moving on the target, but I will leave that to your discretion.
No keycards are needed at Gamma.
Director, nice to see you.
Ah, Miss Yamasaki. Good to see you.
I'd like to see you in the Winter Garden shortly.
Of course.
Very well.
Awesome, right? I mean, shut up. Don't I look like Hush or the Invisible Man? Or maybe Dark Man. Yeah, shut up. Totally Dark Man.
You look like the mummy.
Is that those bloody kids messing around again? God, this keeps happening again and again today. Helmut Kruger. Yeah.
Helmut Kruger, the model.
Yeah, the one and only. I mean, the resemblance is always there. I mean, you know that. They would tell me, hey, you look just like Helmut Kruger.
What the hell?
Shut up.
Whoa.
But here I am. Just
No one ever taught you any manners?
Yeah. I'm about to go meet my Wait, I look like I'm in.
But
Welcome to Hokkaido 47. I have received a priority update from the client. He has learned that the Sigma operations files will be destroyed if you are spotted during the operation. Therefore, you should consider acquiring them before moving on the target, but I will leave that to your discretion.
No keycards are needed.
Director, nice to see you.
Ah, Miss Yamasaki. Good to see you.
I'd like to see you in the Winter Garden shortly.
But, I mean, most of the time.
like us or Invisible Man. Maybe Dark. Oh, yeah. Totally.
You look like the mummy. Nose ring, cleft chin.
Can you keep a secret? Shut up. You look just like Helen Kruger, and I'm like, shut up. But here I am, sort of feeling a problem. Yeah.
How you doing?
What's up with the sudden lamp bar?
In the snow for a while.
Ow! Scalding! I am an allergic.
What happened? They burst a pipe or something.
A new face. And not a staff transfer, I think. And it seems that no one knows that you are here. Your reputation is entirely deserved. It is an honor to meet a true professional. I have been waiting for you. And you are here in time. For that I am very thankful. It would have been inappropriate for me to die before you came for me. I am prepared. We were young men.
Mr. Jason Portman.
Arrogance of the
Please
heart.
come to the hospital entrance.
But what we did there in Siesta
A
Polier,
doctor will escort you to your
it
checkup.
was not a mistake. We did
That
it
was for
willingly,
Mr.
we six.
Jason
Sano gave the orders, but we did it
A
willingly.
doctor will escort you to your appointment.
Even I.
Please proceed to the
Killed them
hospital
and
entrance.
took the gold. 1.5 tons of gold. Being moved from Belgrade. 6 trucks with refugees aboard to protect them from the airstrikes. We killed them all. And then called in helicopter gunships on what was left. $10 million was my share. It was only later that I realized that I was no longer a man. The others could not see it. Or perhaps would not see it. It haunted me for years until finally it became clear that I must use my remaining time to atone. My old friend Loxley told me of the ICA and what you can do. The cost was irrelevant. I placed all 6 contracts, and I watched as you carried them out. Then I fell ill. I feared that I would die before my time. Thankfully, your reputation for timeliness is entirely deserved. As you are aware, the staff have my files in safekeeping. They will destroy them in the event of an emergency. But I am sure you will not be noticed after we are finished here. Arrangements have been made to publicize the files widely. The actions of Sigma and Cicada must be known. Thank you for allowing me to speak my piece, sir. Please complete the final contract now.
I've pieced the chain of contracts together for you, sir. All 6 targets were part of the Sigma mercenary unit, operating near the city of Siesta Polier in Serbia in late 1995. They learned of a convoy transporting 1.5 tons of gold out of Belgrade under cover of a refugee corps. They attacked the convoy and stole the gold and called in a NATO airstrike. It was reported as an accidental attack at the time, a sideshow in that dirty conflict.
And then I asked one of the staff,
Ironically,
and she
the final target was also the client. Complicated way to commit suicide, I'm sure.
What are you doing?
I have forwarded the files you retrieved as per the contract's instructions. I'm not sure what that will achieve, however.
A wartime massacre in the 90s. A fortune in gold. And 2 decades later, 6 men die. No one will notice this.
Hey, don't throw shit!